These are the factories where thousands of liters of sunflower oil are produced. But it is not as easy as you might think. The process is much more technical. Today, we will understand this technical process in a simple and visual way. Our journey begins in vast sunflower fields glowing under the rising sun. Within these bright flowers lie oil-rich seeds. Farmers carefully check that the seeds are fully mature. Each flower head is packed tightly with powerful black seeds. Harvesting machines begin cutting the ripe sunflower heads. The cut flowers are collected into trailers. The seeds are separated from the flower heads. Freshly extracted seeds gather in large piles. The seeds are loaded into trucks using conveyor systems. The trucks head toward the processing factory. At the factory, the real transformation begins. The truck unloads the seeds into a receiving hopper. The seeds move forward on industrial conveyor belts. Vibrating screens remove dust and small impurities. Air systems blow away lightweight husks. Magnetic separators remove any metal particles. The seeds are now completely clean and uniform. Their weight is measured for accuracy and control. The clean seeds are stored in large silos. From storage, they move to the next stage. The seeds enter the de-hulling machine. Their hard outer shells are cracked open. Shells and kernels are separated into different channels. The lighter husks are blown away. Clean white kernels are collected. The kernels move toward crushing rollers. Heavy steel rollers press them into thin flakes. These flakes are shaped perfectly for oil extraction. The flakes travel to a steam conditioning chamber. Gentle steam heats and softens them. Temperature is carefully controlled. The heated flakes are ready for pressing. They enter the expeller press machine. High pressure compresses the flakes tightly. Thick, golden crude oil begins to flow out. The remaining pressed cake still contains some oil. It is transferred to a solvent extraction unit. A solvent dissolves the remaining oil. An oil-solvent mixture is formed. The mixture moves through pipelines to distillation. Heat separates the solvent from the oil. The vapor rises as steam. It is cooled and condensed back into liquid. The recovered solvent is stored for reuse. The crude oil is collected in large tanks. The crude oil is pumped into refining tanks. During degumming, water removes natural impurities. The impurities settle and are removed. Neutralization eliminates unwanted acids. Soap-like residues are separated out. A centrifuge spins rapidly to remove remaining waste. The oil becomes clearer. Bleaching earth reduces color and impurities. The oil is thoroughly mixed for purification. Filtration removes bleaching particles. The oil now appears lighter and cleaner. In the deodorization tower, unwanted odors are removed. Steam passes through the oil under vacuum conditions. Odor molecules are permanently eliminated. Temperature and pressure are precisely monitored. The oil is now transparent and golden. Laboratory testing confirms its quality. Clarity and purity are carefully measured. Final safety inspections ensure food-grade standards.
The oil sample is clear and consistent.
The finalization now begins. The refined oil is approved for packaging. Automated machines begin filling empty bottles. Each bottle receives an exact measured amount. The filled bottles move along the conveyor. Caps are securely sealed onto each bottle. Labels are applied. A final scan ensures quality control. Workers pack the bottles into cartons. Cartons are stacked onto pallets. Forklifts move them into the warehouse. The packaged oil awaits distribution. Delivery trucks are loaded. The trucks transport the oil to markets. Bottles are arranged neatly on store shelves. A customer selects a bottle. From sunflower fields to the kitchen, the journey ends as golden oil is poured into a pan.